This is Kellen with Mountain Sound Home Inspection. I'm out here at a home in Spanaway. Just want to show you guys something that's pretty minor and easy to fix, but it actually happens a lot. Are these crawl space vents down here? You'll have cables that go through them here, and you can see that rip there. That's plenty big enough for rodents to get in and out of, and that's how people have a lot of rodent activity down in their crawl space. So you just want to make sure any vent openings are always sealed up at all times, just to prevent any rodent activity. They start tearing down insulation. There'll be droppings everywhere. So just important to make sure everything is sealed up. This is Kellen with Mountain Sound, and thanks for watching.